Ayan, waiting pa tayo. So please bear with us. Sana umabot ang ating battery. Ayan pa ang ibang fans. Meron pa silang most other fans are there along the road on the side. Kasi nag-i-stop yung light. When the traffic light turns red, they get to see, they get to have a chance to see the idols. Yung iba nagbababa ng window, kakaway sa mga fans dun sa gilid ng daan. But as ilang kami ngayon? 7 kami, dito kami right outside the gate. This is how it looks like. Ayan. So abang-abang lang. Makikita ko naman when, kasi these 3 ladies are Horizon fans. And obviously for Kyler. So when they start recording using their cameras, makikita ko, that means may lumalabas na. And then I will go like this and zoom. Ayan, shout out to all the anchors waiting with us. I've missed doing this. It's been a long time. This is only my second time for Lucky. The first time was SBSM The Show. Tapos nakita ko sila, team labas din ako, pero hindi ko kagad sila nakilala. Fortunately, na-record ko ng konti yung video. It's somewhere in my YouTube channel. So happy Easter muna. Happy Easter to all the anchors. Thank you for waiting with us. And thank you for the thumbs up. And the weather is good. It's now spring here. Ito, wala nito sa Pinas, magnolia flowers. Magnolia, some yellow flower, hindi ko alam yung pangalan. And these are the cherry blossoms. They're about to bloom. Oops, wait. So hindi na masyadong malamig. Yes, Jerry, hindi na masyadong malamig. Ano na lang, light sweater, light jacket na lang, hoodies, ganyan. They're looking at something or someone. Ito ang ano eh. Ito ang ating mga paparazzi. Apparently ano pala yan, mga by order paparazzi. People pay online for their photos. And here comes a idol vehicle. Ayan, malaki siya. Mukhang may lalabas na nga. Ay, wag ka papasok siya. Wag kang pumasok. Dapat dito na lang siya para lalakad yung idol dyan. Hello. Ay, ayan, nakaano sila. Ayun. Some girl group.
이것도 누구 차야? 우리 112. 112차고 막 112. 미리 나머지 기어가 탄다고.
Hi, chillin'. If we're chilling, you're chilling. Hi, chillin', guys. I love that group. Oh my goodness. Two of them can speak very fluent English. Hi, chillin'. Guys, check out I chillin'. Okay din sila. Yung mga 5th gen ngayon, magagaling na mag-English. Sorry for the interruption, sayang. So 2 groups out, TNX and then I chillin'.